Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a rice recipe. Today I've made garlic rice, which is a super simple recipe, just 4 steps, and it's good to carry in your lunch box. You can also make this with leftover rice, so that's another plus for you. Ingredients list is given in the description box, so do check it out. And also consider subscribing to my channel since I've got lots of such rice recipes, lunchbox recipes, etc. in there. So in medium fire in a pan, I've heated some gingerly oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I've added some garlic to this, which I'm going to brown slightly. Once the garlic browns, I'm adding some dry red chilli. You can adjust this according to your spice levels. Now once I saute that for a few seconds, I'm going to add the next ingredient, which is grated coconut. We'll just saute this also until it changes color slightly. We don't want to brown it or anything, just a slight golden color is enough. Now we'll cool and grind this into a coarse powder. I've already cooked some white rice into which I'm going to add some salt to taste and the coarse mixture which we have prepared. Mix everything together. And let's keep it aside. Next step is tempering. So I've heated some gingerly oil again on medium flame. I'm adding some mustard seeds, cumin seeds and urad dal to that. We'll let everything splutter and brown. After which we'll add some curry leaves to it and remove from fire. Now it's time to add the tempering to the rice, and the simple garlic rice is ready to be served. So do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with new recipes. Until then, bye bye.